What is it, Jules?
Geotrack airplane.
It's the airplane.
Is that what you wanted?
Another little one set up by me.
No.
Oh, it's a roller coaster. No, it's Littlest Pony.
It's Littlest Pony shop.
Yeah, with a roller coaster.
Okay, you need to turn it around and show
Show it to
camera
Mima.
what Mima takes you.
Show it to Mima,
I'm
Livy.
gonna send it to her and let her look at the movie.
That's My Little Pony.
Yeah, it's right there.
What does that thing do, Livy?
Is that not the cutest thing?
It's a
Julia, show it to
carnival
Mima.
Carnival ride.
What is it?
ride. The Geotrack airport.
What does the airplane do?
Giant loop wheel.
It loops up in the air and goes upside down.
It's a loop-de-loop.
What do you guys want to say to Mima and Jack?
Thank you. Thank
Do
you.
you
Say
love
Merry
it?
Christmas.
Do you love it?
Come over here to the camera so she can see
And
your teeth.
Merry Christmas.
Show her that you.
Show her your teeth.
So I'm missing a tooth.
I'm missing 2 top teeth.
I'm missing 2 top teeth.
Bye-bye.
Play some flute songs. Play Hurry Hurry.